Start. The original writ petitioners are working either as A&M auxiliary nursing and midwifery or lab technician, multi-purpose worker, accounts clerk or either similarly situated posts. Full stop. They are the members of the Rajasthan Medical and Health Subordinate Service Rules, 1965. Full stop. They applied for the course of general nursing training, which is of 3 years duration and is regulated according to the General Nursing Training Course Rules, 1990, bracket open, hereinafter referred to as the Rules 1990, bracket close, full stop, para. That all the original writ petitioners submitted their applications, in the prescribed pro forma as in service candidates, seeking admission to the course of general nursing as envisaged under Rule 9 of the Rules 1990, full stop. That all the in service candidates were required to be considered eligible to seek admission provided they fulfilled the criterion for admission and eligibility under Rule 11 of the Rules 1990, full stop. All the original writ petitioners submitted their applications for seeking study leave, knowing it fully well that joining 3 years nursing course cannot be treated on deputation for the in service candidates, full stop, para. All the original writ petitioners completed their course on. Some of them were either doing their internship or a few, after completion of their internship, filed writ petitioners before the learned single judge of the High Court and prayed that the study leave sanctioned to them by the competent authority may be treated as on deputation, full stop. The learned single judge allowed the batch of writ petitions with the following directions: looking to the aforesaid, these writ petitions are being disposed of with the following directions, full stop, para. Respondents are directed to comply with the observations and expectations of the learned of the Honorable Apex Court as given in the case of Sushil Sharma within bracket Supra State of Rajasthan versus Sushil Sharma, civil appeal number 5283/2001 dated 10/8/2001. Thereby they will not allow benefit of deputation allowance to anyone in violation of Rule 112 read with Rule 97 of the RSR, full stop. This is irrespective of the categories of the post in the respondent department, full stop, para. If there is shortage of junior specialist, endeavor should be to amend the rules so that direct recruitment can be made, as presently aforesaid post is filled up by promotion only, full stop. However, on the pretext of shortage of junior specialist, respondents cannot be allowed to violate or circumvent the rules, full stop. This is more so when it goes even against the observations and expectations of the Honorable Apex Court. In the case of Sushil Sharma within bracket Supra, full stop, the respondents will accordingly allow study leave and benefit thereupon as per Rule 111 and 112 read with Rule 97 of the RSR, full stop, para. That thereafter the state preferred intra-court appeals before the division bench, full stop. The division bench permitted the state to file review applications, full stop. The state filed review applications before the learned single judge, which came to be dismissed, full stop. Subsequently, the state again filed intra-court appeals before the division bench against the judgments and orders passed by the learned single judge, allowing the writ petitions and holding that the original writ petitioners are entitled to treat their period of training as the period on leave permissible to him/her, full stop, over.